Hi guys, Sasika Kira. So today I got an iPhone, oh no, sorry, not iPhone. Today I got a Samsung J5. I have to replace the screen of this phone, and you know the Samsung screen replacement is very easy than iPhones. I would take maximum 10 to 15 minutes to replace the screen of this phone. So let's see how gonna replace the screen. Watch my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel, and text me if you need any help. Let's see. So let's see how gonna fix it. So did you see my video? So phone is ready now. I just put the clip around the phone because I put the glue inside. So I'm just waiting for it get dry, and then phone would be ready and customer can come and pick the phone. So thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video. And if you need any help, just write down comment on the bottom of the video and I can reply as soon as possible. So thank you for watching my video. See you in next video. Bye.